Hello friends, welcome you all on your PDA education. So friends, as you know that your PDA education provide you each and every update related to technical education and admissions in technical institutes like IITs, IIMs and your this NITs and all. Okay, तो आज का update is related to IIM Bangalore where there is a admission forms are open from October 21 for the admission in the program of PhD, or you can say direct PhD or FBM program, that is fellowship program in management. Okay, so very important, very good program is there. Your PDA आपको जीरो से लेके जो भी 100% तक गाइडेंस इसमें देगा. इफ़ यू वांट गाइडेंस फ्रॉम योर पीडिया यू कैन जस्ट एनरोल टू द I can say your PDA education consultancy directly by visiting to yourpedia.in, or if you have any doubt you can fill the Google form and also you can contact at the given number. Okay, so happy Diwali to all of you. Now let's start the video. So here you can see when you go to the main website you have to click to admission point, and then after that here you can see admission 2022. So admission forms are open for various categories, so we have to visit for PhD program, that is 5-year full time. Important dates, admission process is given here, important dates are given here, area wise admission process, information session, IIT Bombay test and sample paper, online application. So each and everything is given in very much detail, and if you have any query you can contact at this number or drop a mail on this number. First of all, let's see the important dates. So when you talk about important dates, I can say here you can see the important dates are this. Application window is open from October 21 to 19 January, and test will be conducted on 6th of Feb, and area test as decided by, I can say here you can see April. बेसिकली आपका ये रहेगा इंटरव्यूज कब होने वाले हैं अप्रैल में, एंड एरियाज or we can say interview city is Bangalore only. Offer result will be, I can say April 3rd week. ऑफर एक्सेप्टेंस यू विल गिवन ए टाइम दैट रिजल्ट आपका 3 अप्रैल को आएगा, फाइनल आपका रिजल्ट जो हो जाएगा एडमिशन प्रोसेस वो फर्स्ट वीक को. ओके, एंड प्रोग्राम रजिस्ट्रेशन विल बी ऑन जून 19, okay, sorry June 2nd. Okay, now next visit to area wise admission process. So here you can see the area wise admission process. So let's see, here you can see performance, I can say gate paper भी इसमें आप eligible हैं. Okay, now let's see that this final file and all. Okay, so these are the areas, I can say, like decision sciences is there. Okay, so in decision science here you can see for all applicant meeting to the eligibility criteria is used for shortlisting the interview. Academic performance, that is 10th 12th and masters if applicable degree. Research publication, statement of purpose, this is very important, and recommendation letter. So in these two things your PD are going to help you. Overall research potential such as honor degree, gold medal and other, and performance on standardized test. Okay, that is gate and other things. Criteria used during the interview, underlining the conceptual clarity of subject matter, motivational research and communication skills. So your PD are going to practice you basically all these 3 point and other your statement of purpose and other things. Okay, final ranking applicable applicants for offer will be based on composite score comprising the pre-interview and personal interview scores. Okay, pre-interview आपका ये रहेगा basically ये वाला पूरा, and after or post interview I can say this. Okay, next is I can say economics and social science, जिसमें GATE students are also eligible. After that entrepreneurship, again basically इसमें GATE students are eligible, and there are different stages given. Okay, like here you can see criteria for assessment performance in interview will be communication skills, motivation for research, understanding research process and academic career, understanding of broad area of interest. Finance and accounting, GATE is eligible. Similarly you can see marketing, GATE is eligible. Okay, organization behavior and HRM, इसमें भी GATE is eligible, but it is written here to be updated, so we will update you. Production and operation management, GATE is eligible in this also. Public policy, GATE eligible here. Strategy, I can say here GATE is not eligible. So these are the, I can say, research areas where you can see where you can go. And admission process, I have already told you that these are the area of specializations. Eligibility, here you can see that master degree if is any, or otherwise bachelor degree you can say. Here you can see a 4-year or 8 semester bachelor degree with at least 6.5 CGPA is required. Okay, or equivalent 6 CGPA for reserved category candidates, I can say, and duration of program is 5 year. Okay, now these are the, I can say, reservations according to Government of India rules, and these are the tests I can say. Okay, so you can go to these areas. Now application, I can say fees for applying. Basically here you can see area, you can maximum apply in two areas. If you want to apply for first area, one area, then 1000 rupees fees. If you want to apply for two areas, then 1500 fees is there. Okay, basically here you can see application fees for GATE. Okay, if you have GATE, GMAT, GRE, if you want to give IIT Bombay test, okay, then basically I can say application fee plus IIT Bombay test fee, then this is the fees. Okay, so again selection and all I have already told you. Financial support, here you can see 35,000 per month for up to 5 year to cover their expenses, and other startup grant in 1 year for 75,000, contingency grant annual in year 2 to 5, फर्स्ट ईयर में नहीं मिलेगा 25,000, post comprehensive exam stipend increment monthly rupees 2,000, post proposal stipend increase 3,000, house rent allowance 15,000, single student 20,000 for married student, national conference grant for I can say. So I very much important I can say, एंड बहुत अच्छा आपको यहाँ पे एक इन्होंने जो फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट आपको प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, जिसके अंदर आप फ्री माइंड, आपको अगर मैरिड हैं तब भी आपको कोई टेंशन नहीं है, अगर आप अनमैरिड हैं तब भी कोई टेंशन नहीं है, आप इसमें इजीली सर्वाइव कर सकते हैं एंड बहुत ज़्यादा मनी सेव भी कर सकते हैं एंड पढ़ भी सकते हैं. ओके, लिंक ये है अप्लाई करने का, आप यहाँ से भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन, एंड सैम्पल पेपर्स फॉर IITB आई कैन से आर गिवन हेयर. ओके, सो हेयर इज द सैम्पल पेपर आई कैन से, instructions, and filling the OMR sheet instruction is given here, you can see, and these are the question papers I can say. Okay, so it is a question paper, quant, reasoning, English and all, analysis, other things. Okay, so you can just go through this sample paper. Okay, and information session is given here, you can just go through this also, and here you can see, okay, information session and all, you can submit your information here, and I can say online application for this you have to apply here. Okay, so here you can see, first of all you have to create your register here, then you have to fill the application form. So I hope friends this update is helpful for you. If you have any doubt, then please mention in the comment section, and again happy Diwali to all of you. Thank you very much.